Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to integrate Square payments with your Shopify store. So for this one, we are going to use a third-party application, which is Zapier. Okay, so we are going to start with this one. So make sure to remember the password of your account so we can integrate it later on. So just use the search bar at the top and search for Zapier, and then you'd be able to see this website. So just click on this one. Here you can start free with email, or you can also sign up at the top right of the screen. But for this one, I'm just going to start with my Google account. And then after that, you have to type out here the password of your Google account and then click on confirm after that. And then you'd be able to see here now your dashboard. Now the next thing that you should do is to create a project. Okay, so just click on the create option at the top left of your screen. Here you just have to select Zaps automated workflows. Okay, and then right here you have this workflow, and then we are going to use the second option. Okay, so just select it. Okay, so we are going to select the event that starts our Zap. So this would be the trigger. So using the search bar at the top, just have to search for Square. Okay, so here is the application. So just have to click on this one, and then at the right side you can see here the details of the Square. So currently we have the Square for the application, and then the trigger event, you just have to choose an event. So we have new appointment, new catalog item, new customer, new invoice, new order, and then the new payment option. So you just have to select new payment. And then for the account, we have to click on this one, and then make sure to remember the details of your Square account. So you have to log in right here, and then you just have to click on continue. Okay, and the next thing that we should do now is to set up the action. We are done with our trigger. Now let's go to the actions. Just click on this one, and just the same using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Shopify. So here is a Shopify, so just click on it, and at the right side again, just have to set up the details. So for the action event, okay, so this is the action event. You just have to choose an event right here. So there are many events for the standard actions. So we have create customer, create company, create draft order, create fulfillment, create gift card, and more. And we also have the custom actions. So this one is in beta, so you just have to go here if you want to set up a custom actions. So I'm just going to select a random action. Next is you have to sign in to your Shopify account. Okay, so here you just have to connect your Shopify, so make sure to remember the details of your Shopify account. Okay, so by using the Shopify app, you'll be able to connect your Zapier account with Shopify merchant account. Okay, so you just have to paste here your store and then click on yes, continue to Shopify. Then once you're done, you'll be able to see here now the publish option at the top right of your screen, and that's how you can integrate Square payments to your Shopify store. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.